you guys doing? Ted Greenfield from Over 50 and Learning to Fly here, and I just want to thank you, each and every one of you, for really all your emails, all your comments, because you really did help me make the best decision for this airplane, the best decision for me, for my needs, and the best decision to actually help me further my flying career and my flying on and my ratings and everything I'm going to get. So what I am going to do is I am going to upgrade. I'm going to upgrade to the TKM MX155, and that is really going to be an absolutely fantastic slide-in solution for this airplane. So in the next few weeks, after I actually get the radio and put it in, I'm going to show you what it's like, how it works, how well it works, how good it sounds, because I hear the audio on it is just superb. And we're going to track a couple VORs, we're going to track a couple ILSs, and we're really going to put the radio through its paces, and I'm going to show you everything that the radio is about. And I'm really excited about this decision. I think it was the most cost effective. And number two, it's really about the convenience, because this plane it's going to need some work and it's going to need some upgrades. But the best thing is that, again, I keep on doing this, and it's done. It is done. So that's the real good piece that I want to see. Also, Over50andlearningtofly.com is coming soon. Yes, the website is coming soon. And what I need from you are your flying stories, are your over 50 flying stories. And if you're just learning to fly and you're over 50, I want to hear from you. So with your mobile phone, your iPhone or Android or whatever you have, just shoot a selfie video and tell me why you started to learn to fly, your great experience, what flying is doing for you personally and emotionally and socially. Send them to over50andlearningtofly@gmail.com. And just tell me your flying story. I'd love to put these up on over50andlearningtofly.com just to encourage other people, to show people what this can do for you. Over50andlearningtofly.com is going to be a place where you can see your stories as well as other people who are over 50 and learning to fly and see their stories. Also, it's going to be a place where you can meet other flight instructors and see their YouTube channels and see how they teach and what their philosophy of teaching is. It's also going to be a place to look at different products and different avionics products that are out there. But also, if you're just getting into this like I am and you've bought an airplane, there's going to be an area called Flight Bag where you can see all the different type of things to upgrade and all the different options are, because that was the one thing that was really confusing to me. The choices were just overwhelming. So over50andlearningtofly.com is coming soon. Send me your video stories to over50andlearningtofly@gmail.com, and very shortly we will be putting in the new TKM MX155. Thanks for watching, and thanks again for all your comments.